Route 26, Week 25. Treasure, protect, and promote our reputation. We're all responsible for and benefit from our company's image and reputation. You never know when opportunity will present itself or who might be watching. So consider how your actions affect our collective reputation. Always be a proud ambassador of the company. So, an example I'd like to give for this route would be, if you ever walk into a Walmart, ShopRite, Lowe's, Home Depot, and great stores, you have one bad run-in with an employee. That may make you think differently of that store going forward. And now this employee is not, high up in the company necessarily. It could be anybody in the company, and he just turns you off for whatever reason, is rude to you or something, and automatically you think differently of the entire company as a whole. So every time that you walk around and people, know that you work at CNC, just remember that and know that every interaction that they have with you, if it's a bad one, they're gonna look at CNC as not a great company. If it's a good one, then automatically it makes you think better of CNC. That will in turn benefit the company and yourself in the long run.
So we're talking about how people can promote our reputation when they're dealing with customers. What about people who aren't dealing with customers all the time? How can they protect our reputation?
So this is something that, I learned from multiple people in the company. Robert, Avi, I see them in the back of the warehouse and they're walking down the aisle. They see a piece of garbage on the floor. No one's around, no one's looking. They bend down, pick up that piece of garbage and put it in the garbage can. If anybody sees that, and they're pretty high up in the company, anybody else sees that, they're gonna do the same thing. They're gonna look like, hey, they're proud to work at CNC. They want a clean company. They want everything to be right. So when you can see that, doing that shows that we care about our warehouse. We care about our people. We care because you don't want someone getting hurt from that thing lying on the floor. So you're caring about people. You're caring about the looks of the warehouse, and you're caring about our reputation. So doing that shows how you can treasure, protect, and promote our reputation.